Welcome to Xi'an, one of the birthplaces of Chinese culture and once the capital of 13 dynasties. This city I carry deep in my heart. It has become my home away from home, a place that has maintained its ancient vibe while keeping up with the rapid development China is going through. This beautiful city in the northwest of China, with its 11 million inhabitants, is the heart of the Shanxi province, and lately it has become one of the most popular cities on Chinese social media. Here we are at our first stop, the city wall. Now, the city wall in Xi'an is the best preserved, the biggest and the most famous city wall in entire China. Now, it has a history of more than 1,400 years and it surrounds the entire city center of Xi'an. Now, if you go all the way around, it has a total length of 14 kilometers. Imagine that. Now, let's take the escalator upstairs. Wow, look at these two. So if one of these hits you in the head, then you're definitely gonna get a headache. Wow. What's so special about this wall is that it's 12 meters high and 18 meters wide. People come from all over the world just to see this historical landmark. People love to walk around and enjoy the beautiful sceneries, even enjoy a beautiful sunset. Unfortunately today we didn't have, we ran into a bit of bad weather conditions, so we cannot see this beautiful sunset.
I'll never step off the wave. I've got sunshine on a cloudy day. When it's cold outside, I've got the month of May. I guess you say, what can make me feel this way? My girl, my girl, my girl, talking about my girl, my girl.
What I like about the second floor here are the multicolored patterns all over the wall over there, and especially the two golden dragons all the way up top.
I've got sunshine on a cloudy day. When it's cold outside, I've got the month of May. I guess you say, what can make me